I normally make hubad, bare to the bones cakes that do away with that fluffy meringue or whipped cream covering, which one arm won't ever do properly, and B, is merely added sugar my body can do without. No way, you say. Pwede namang wala na lang. On March 21, 2022, I made a summer mango cake like that. A mango sponge cake, sans creamy covering, dusted with cocoa powder and with 4 toppings in all. I began with the mangoes, which were the messiest. I parted them into 3 halves, scooping the flesh out. I left the skin and seeds behind. Messy, I tell you. The juices simply flowed within my plate. I arranged this mango flesh into bite-sized pieces in a little bowl and poured the juices into a big red mixing bowl. Tapos na ang samangga. Next, I cut and tore dates into bits, discarding the middle seeds, and did similarly to wasabi nuts and to soy nuts. All 3 went into my little bowl. That was that for the toppings. I set this bowl aside. Isa muna ang maiksing patalastas about how, as a PWD or person with disability, I have moved my activism by campaigning online for honest 2022 Philippine elections and for my own presidential, vice presidential, and senatorial bets. Bayan, bangon. Pumili, bumoto. Now, to the cake itself, I added dry ingredients to my mixing bowl. Cake flour, baking powder, white sugar, bitter cocoa powder, nutmeg, and cinnamon. And then I added wet ingredients: butter, vegetable oil, sweetened powdered mango juice for more flavor, an egg, and a tad of water. I tasted this cake batter several times during this process. It was then time to scoop this cake batter into oil-greased square aluminum baking pans. One-armed, I scooped rather than poured. Matrabaho pero masaya ako. I cook and bake for my own sanity. My mango cake batter went into the preheated oven of our La Germania cooking range at 250 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. At my request, Mom separated the cake into 8 halves. The blend of toppings went into each half, and the batter was baked for another 10 minutes. Sweet with hints of sour, salty, bitter, and spicy was this mango cake. My taste buds absolutely relished nibbling it in all its hubad, uncovered glory. About my limping knee to foot next time and use of water.